I am Sherry Renee at ifyougivegirlagrill.com, and today we are making a pesto steak sandwich with goat cheese. And I'm going to make my husband help me because I created this recipe just for him. So I created this for you because there's pepper jack cheese, because you like your spice, loves his steak, and he really loves my homemade pesto. Why the goat cheese? Because I love goat cheese and he loves me. I did not even plan to say that. That was pretty cheesy. You go ahead and season the steak with the Blackstone steakhouse seasoning. On both sides, yes. And I'm going to preheat the griddle to medium-high for steak. Do you want to slice the ciabatta rolls?
Sure.
All right. Do you love when I make dishes, like, inspired by you, or do you think it's weird?
No.
Are you just glad that I feed you?
Yeah.
We have fun. So we're going to make 3 sandwiches, one for me, one for you, and then one for your lunch tomorrow.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Are you sear ready?
We are sear ready. Seriously. Hold, he's going to put down the steak. Sizzle.
And you can see we repeat this for the other side. 3 more minutes. You gotta let the steak rest.
Oh, you just stole my line. I love it. Why do we let the steak rest?
Because it'll cook a little more.
It will, and the juices will redistribute.
That's what she... Sorry. Never mind.
And we're going to go ahead and toast these ciabatta buns. Ciabatta bread, ciabatta buns. What is it? I'm going to have you... Can I give you a job?
Sure.
Okay. I'm going to have you kind of thinly slice the steak
Diagonal.
against the green. Yes, so you're going to want to go that way.
Okay.
While he does that, I'm going to add some goat cheese to the bottom. Remember, the goat cheese is like me. I add a little tang and zip to the relationship. You have to sample it.
And we'll take this one out the end here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Bam.
Do just a couple of pieces of steak on each one. So we're going to go down with my pesto. This is my homemade pesto, and you can get this full recipe, including the pesto, at ifyougivegirlagrill.com. I'm going to add the pepper jack cheese, because remember, you love spice, and that's why I made this sandwich for you. Back to the griddle just until that cheese melts, and I'm going to cover with a melting dome. Oh,
right.
All right, ready? Cheers.
Oh, yeah.
You need to make this. All right, I lied. You can't have that one for your lunch tomorrow.